Clearscore Credit Bank Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get credit management apps wrong. They assume checking credit scores is complicated or costly. The surprising truth about Clearscore is that it provides free credit reports, insights, and personalized recommendations, and you won't believe how much it can improve your financial awareness. Here's how it works. Clearscore connects to credit bureaus to give users real-time credit scores, payment history, and factors affecting their credit. It also suggests ways to improve scores, like reducing balances or correcting errors. For example, someone planning a mortgage can monitor their score and take targeted actions before applying. Most people get this wrong. They think credit monitoring is expensive, but Clearscore provides free, easy-to-understand insights. Additional features include credit card and loan recommendations, alerts for changes to your credit report, and tracking of debt management progress. Users praise its clarity, usability, and actionable advice. However, there are considerations. Recommendations are based on your credit profile and may not suit everyone, and premium services may require fees. Most people assume they can't influence their credit quickly. Clearscore empowers users with knowledge and control. In conclusion, Clearscore is ideal for anyone looking to monitor, manage, and improve their credit health without paying for expensive services. Subscribe for more honest reviews of finance and credit tools.